Hi everyone, in this video we are going to see how we can compare Excel data using inbuilt spreadsheet compare program which is installed when you install Office 365. So suppose this is my sales data for three products, product A, B, C. These are the sales for last 12 months. And suppose I create one more data out of this. In that I shall be changing the values of some of the cells. Suppose this is sales 2 data, and suppose I change some of the values, like for July I change the value to 1000. So total sales will also be changed. I change some formatting over here. I change some formula over here, plus 10. So these are some of the changes which I have changed in this file sales 2. Now let's close this file. We'll see how we can quickly find those changes. So for this, go to search in Windows, type there compare. You will get this software spreadsheet compare, which is inbuilt tool for Excel comparison. Here you give it both the files, compare files. First select in the D drive, go for sales file, then go for sales to file, click on OK. So now when everything is done, then you will be getting this. This is my one file, this is my second file, and the results I shall be getting in the lower bottom. So it shows, if you see the comparison, when you click any cell like B11, so this cell is highlighted. Here it is 14 to 200. It is here it is 14210. It says that a formula has changed. In one file, the formula is this, and another, the formula is plus 10. Similarly, for C9, the entered value has changed. Here it is 5000, it is 1000. Likewise, calculated value has also changed. And here also the calculated value has changed. And here, if you see this 4900, you see that the background color cell formatting has changed. So this is how actually we can quickly spot the changes in an Excel file. So thanks for watching the video. Hope it was informative. Thanks. Bye.